Okay.
It's got sound. So we're here at Restore Hyper Wellness in Cary, and on this rainy day we are going to spend some time in the cryotherapy. We're going to get a red light therapy, and we're going to do some compression. As you can see, it says the cryotherapy helps relieve minor pain and swelling. The red light therapy optimizes sleep, improves mood, and relieves minor pain and inflammation. And the compression helps the body enhance lymphatic function and circulation, reduce muscle aches, and improves flexibility. So we're gonna try them out. Today is $10 day, and if you get on their text list, they send you all their specials, and they do have a ton of specials, and they have a lot of services too. They have all kinds of services, but if you get on their text list, they send you the specials. And there's been a couple of times that they do the $10 day, probably about once every couple of months. And I mean, it's an amazing deal because the services cost between $30 and $60 for the cryotherapy and the red light therapy and the compression. So, I mean, $10 is amazing to come try it out. And as you can see, the people over here, they're doing the compression, and that lasts for up to an hour. So you can just chill out and relax. The cryotherapy is like 2 minutes in the 2 to 4 minutes in the cryo chamber, and it's a standing cryo chamber so that you're not breathing in the nitrogen. It's a little more healthier than some of the laying down ones. And then the infrared or the red light therapy is also standing. It is 12 minutes. So you can spend about an hour and a half to 2 hours here. And if you come on $10 day, you can do all 3 of them for $30. And that's a flat rate. So that's just amazing. So, yeah, definitely try it out. We're in Cary, right by the Stretch Lab. I mean, I think technically we might be in Morrisville. This is at Park West. Here we are, right by GNC and Full Moon Oyster Bar. All right, we're here at Restore Hyper Wellness, and we're doing a cryo, freeze and squeeze. So I'm gonna do hop in the cryo tank for a few minutes, and then we'll do some compression after. We're at Restore Hyper Wellness right here. Let's see, there you go. Look at all the steam that comes out. I guess it's not steam. Tell them how long I did.
So you did 2.5 minutes.
Okay.
At negative 167 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, I'm a beginner. This is my first time. So how long can you go?
We can do 3 minutes the next session.
Okay.
And then you can go all the way down to negative 220 if you'd like.
Okay.
For 3 minutes.
It wasn't
Once
hard.
you've worked yourself up, yeah.
I thought I might not make it, but I did it.
You did great.
Okay, great. So my temperature was like 89 when I went in. It was like 55 when I came out, and it was cold, but it went by really quickly, and I feel great now. So I would suggest you try it. So we're going from super cold to super hot. Next, we're gonna do our red light therapy, and I'm gonna put these glasses on, but you don't have to, because red light therapy is absolutely great for your eyes. There wasn't much of a wait in between the two, even though you would expect one on $10 day. And both of the owners have been here helping me. They've been super accommodating and super nice. Okay, here's the red light sauna. I do 10 minutes in it. They give you 12 minutes, so 2 minutes to undress. So if you're quick undressing, you can get 11 or 12 minutes in. It's kind of like one of those old school tanning beds that you stand up in. The room's really nice. You can play any music that you want by saying, "Hey Google," and they give you goggles or sunglasses, and you have your own thermostat so you can set the temperature in here. Here are a couple of the benefits of red light therapy: improve your mood, improve skin appearance, improve sleep, boost cognitive health, reduce cell damage. So yeah, it got a little hot in there. It's pretty easy. I worked on my abs while I was in there, doing some squats and holding in my core, and you can get your workout done at the same time. Okay, I'm here in this spacesuit. We're doing the squeeze. And I'm squeezing my legs. So I did compression on my legs for a full hour, and about halfway through they added my arms, which I did for 30 minutes. That's arms and shoulders. You can adjust the compression pressure to your liking. About halfway through, I upped mine a little bit to add a little more pressure. It's supposed to be really good for lymphatic drainage, though I don't know how good it did for that. I did feel very euphoric afterwards, kind of like I feel after a chiropractic appointment or acupuncture. When you do 3 things in such a short time like this, it's hard to determine which ones are giving you the most benefits, which ones you like, and which ones you don't like. And also the effects of these treatments build over time, so you have to keep that in mind as well. You know there's no such thing as a free lunch, so you know they're going to try to sell you a membership when you come in. Not pushy at all. They just explained the membership and the pricing scheme and how it worked, and they were very nice. So the memberships start at $169, and as you can see, they significantly reduce the price, maybe almost cut it in half of the single sessions of the core services, which include cryotherapy, red light therapy, infrared sauna, and compression. Beyond that, they have so many services. Like, they offer so much stuff. It's really hard to even include all of it. They have all these premium facials and targeted cryotherapy. These things are included in your memberships, but they're not a one-for-one. You might get 8 credits with your membership, and like 2 or 3 it costs to go to the premium services. They also offer IV drips, which are really popular right now, and as you can see, they have a 50% off for your first time IV, as well as they are offering a special for $99 for your first cryo facial, which I also haven't had, but the fact that they offer all these deals is really insane, and they probably won't be doing it for long. They are just trying to drum up business, and so you should really get in on that if you are interested while you can. Another thing I thought was really cool are these biomarker assessments. I have actually had a lot of them because we've done a lot of fertility treatments, so they test for these things, and when you do them at your doctor's office, insurance pays for them. But if you really are just interested, you can do them somewhere like here, and you can find out if you have food sensitivities, or you can find out information about your DNA. That's very helpful. I think it's really interesting, and if you have the money, it's something really good to do for your health. You even have a hyperbaric oxygen chamber, which is insane. They have all this high-tech equipment, so if you're interested in health and wellness on this level, you should really give them a shot. I really loved it. I liked going there. It was relaxing, and it was only $30. So get on their list and wait for them to send you a text. As always, I am not sponsored by this company. I just really thought it was cool, and I wanted to share it with you. And if you thought this was interesting or you learned something, Please give me a like, it really helps, and subscribe so you can get more content like this. We really appreciate you, and thanks for watching our videos.